outside mowing the lawn, and I came in, and now I'm making dinner. I'm just making sloppy joes for dinner. But yeah, that's what I'm making for dinner. My daughter's out in the living room playing. She just was laughing, and it was the cutest thing.
Your lesson, but make sure that you read it, okay? Okay.
Let this be a lesson. Make every moment precious. Because you never know what will be your last. Mary, rest your hair, Steve.
It was the last scene around 8:25 in the morning when she put her kids home to school.
I feel like I might have to cut up half another onion maybe, but I'm sauteing onions and mushrooms, and I'm about to flip this over. I'm making steakums. When it's almost done and I put the cheese on here, I will show you guys that. So I'm done with it. Put the cheese on it, a little bit of cheddar, and then I shredded up a little bit of Swiss cheese and just sprinkled just a tad bit on it. Not too much, just a little bit. Because it's from Amish country, so it's real Swiss cheese, so it's kind of strong. So that's why I didn't put that much on it. And then the sauteed onions and mushrooms, and then we're gonna have them on this bread. That's what we're gonna do, is have it on this bread. Ciabatta buns. Yeah, ciabatta buns is what it's called. So that's what we are gonna do. And like I said, dinner's done. Scarlett's out here watching some cartoons, and then we're gonna watch some shows and stuff and just relax and eat dinner. Scarlett, be careful, I don't want you getting hit. She's swinging the swing that I'm sitting on. Yeah. It's gloomy outside, but we're playing outside for a little bit before it starts to rain a little bit, because she needed outside. So, yeah. Huh, did you need outside, baby girl?
I did.
Oh. You having fun? Well, don't do that, baby. I don't want you getting hurt. Sorry if you guys are getting dizzy from that swing and stuff. I am making bacon now. That is one of my absolutely favorite foods besides steak and tacos. Hi, Scarlett.
Can I stay in the kitchen?
How about I have something really hot on the stove cooking. Can you go and watch a cartoon?
Can I stay in the kitchen?
No.
Could I?
No, baby.
Could I? Please?
making bacon now. It smells so delicious. Well, I'm going to sleep, guys. Well, I'm going to sleep, guys. And Scarlett is asleep. Well, she was asleep. But yeah, I know she's sleeping now in bed for the night. And yeah. Good night, guys. Alright, we're gonna play for a little bit. Yeah. Okay, alright, I'm gonna go grab your ball, okay? Just didn't want you staying out front without me. Yeah, she's standing over there. But yeah, she's gonna play for a little bit and stuff. Ooh. I can't wait to have dinner. Having Mr. Hero, sorry. Just trying to watch out for Scarlett to make sure she didn't go running up front without me, so. Say hi, guys! Come on!
Where's your skeleton? Where's your skeleton?
We don't have one. You will have to wait for Halloween. There is none, Scarlett. She keeps asking me these questions that there is none. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you guys noticed. Yes, I tried to do a clip already and the video got a little messed up for some reason. But yeah, I got new piercings. I had to put them in because I swallowed one of them by accident. Well, that's what I think because I couldn't find it anywhere else. Say hi.
I want a
Hi. Ooh, it's so sunny out today. Like so sunny. So if you guys are wondering why I'm like squinting my eyes, it's because it's so sunny and I can barely even see the video because of it. So yeah. This video whenever you guys are watching this, morning or night. Good morning or night. Bye.